morning. Today we will discuss a very important chapter, pronoun. Before starting this chapter, we should know the basics, the origin. As we know in our previous chapter, noun, that noun is originate from the Latin word nomen. It means name. Same as when we are going to start the chapter pronoun, in this very video we will discuss only the basics of pronoun, nothing else. Is that clear? So in this video we will discuss the basics of pronoun, that from where it originated. Basically pronoun was originate the word Latin pronomen. Pronomen. It is originate from the Latin word pronomen. P-R-O-N-O-M-E-N. Pronomen. Now let us start the definition, the meaning of pronoun. I have just break this. Pro means what? Place of, and noun means what? Name. We have discussed it our previous video. Pronoun means place of name. It means the definition of pronoun is a word which is used in place of noun. Means when we are going to use pronoun, we need a noun. Pronoun will always represent a noun. Means what? Pronoun is what? Pronoun is nothing but it is only a representative of a noun. Any kind of noun. Pronoun is only a representative of noun. Is that clear? Now we'll see the where we use pronoun in a sentence. Actually we will discuss it because we are going to face exam. In examiner, what kind of question examiner will arise to us? Examiner will arise question related to pronoun, error of pronoun, gap filling of pronoun, subject, object, this thing. So let us discuss pronoun. I think you don't understand about the. Now look at this. I have written this. Now we will discuss about place of pronoun in a sentence. Means where we use pronoun in a sentence. We have learned what pronoun is a representative of noun. So in a sentence, first of look about something little bit about the sentence. In a sentence, there is a subject and a predicate. In a sentence, there is a subject and predicate. In predicate, there is verb and object. Subject means S, verb V, O means object means O. Now you can see the structure of sentence is SVO. The whole English is that SV and O. The combination of SV and O. Now let us see the place of noun in a sentence. In a place of noun, subject in place of object. Now just switch the earlier. What we have discussed? Place of name. Place of name means place of noun. Where there is noun, we will use pronoun. Is that clear? So now we can write in that place. Here is noun, so we can use pronoun also. Here is noun, so we can use here pronoun. Is that clear? Now let us see. I am going to write something about the pronoun in a sentence. First of all, we have to remove it. Now we will discuss about the place of noun in a sentence. I have written this. Pronoun will use as subject, means we have seen noun is also used as a place of subject and also used as a place of object. Same as pronoun will also use as a subject and as a object. It means not that pronoun will only use in a place of subject or object. No, pronoun will use and so on. There are many places, possessive and so on. So we have to learn. Basically pronoun will use as a place of subject and a place of object. the when we will discuss about the kinds of pronoun, then we can see we will see the details of pronoun, the words, their rules and so on. In this video we will only discuss the place of pronoun. Earlier we have seen the noun case. Noun is there, so pronoun will also there. So pronoun case means what? Subjective case and objective case. Now we will see the what kind of word we will use as a subject and what kind of word we will use as a object of pronoun. Is that clear? If there is any problem, you can write and ask to me and send it to me. I will make you more clear. Is it clear? So now we will discuss about the kinds of pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. First I have taken personal pronoun. Look one thing. In every question there will be hidden answer also. Earlier we will discuss about what is pronoun. So you have seen pro plus noun, means you have seen the noun about noun. Now when question is arise, what is personal pronoun? So look at this. Personal means person, which is related to a person. Person pronoun is related to person only. Is that clear? In that persons are basically three kinds. First person, second person and third person. First person means a person who speak. In that I am speaking, I am first person. Second person, listener. I am speaking, I am first person. You are listening my voice, so you are second person. Now third person means what? To whom we speak. Means I am speaking, you are listening, and we will discussing about someone else. So that someone else is considered in a third person. Is that clear? In that word there is subjective and objective. Means which word consider under subjective, which word consider under objective. So let us see the word in personal pronoun, which word consider under subjective, and in personal pronoun which word consider under objective. I am going to write it down, and next video I will send you the full detail, means their full chart. First try to write down I is a subjective case and me is a objective case. We, us, you, they, them, he, him. He will consider for male gender. Write it down. I am going to clean this. Should I clean? She will consider for female. Her, it for non-living. It. Clear? These are the subjective and objective. You have to make a chart and try to learn. Clear? So I hope you understand whole thing. Repeat. If you have any question, send it to me text and I will try to solve your question. Before that, you have to like my YouTube channel Education Express by Sanjeev Mishra and like and subscribe for the new and latest video for the next lesson. Okay, till then, thank you.